Hey everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you 10 Kinder Joy eggs.
Yahoo!
I can't wait to open these up. Let's start by opening up a Kinder Joy for boys. So, if you haven't seen these Kinder Joy eggs before, you can open it up by pulling these two tabs, and if we open up this half of the egg, we get our yummy chocolate, which comes with 2 mini Ferrero Rochers. Hold on 1 second, let me grab the spoon, which is stuck on the other half of the egg, and let's dig in. Yum! We get a mix of white chocolate and milk chocolate. By the way, I've tried this before, and it is really good. Pretty addicting stuff. Alright, and the other half of the egg has our surprise toy. Whoa, we got a lot of pieces in this one. Let's see what kind of toy we have by looking at the instructions. It looks like an animal/robot figure. Let's put this guy together to see what kind of character we got. Here's the chest. Whoa, we got some cool wings. Let's attach the legs.
Look, it's a bird. No, it's a plane.
It's Eagle Robot. I don't think this character has a name, so it'll be called Eagle Robot. Let's open up another Kinder Joy for boys. Here's our delicious looking chocolate. As yummy as this looks, I'm more interested in what our surprise toy is. Let's open it up.
Ooh, it's some sort of vehicle.
Let's check the instructions. Nice! We got some sort of speed racer. Before we zoom this vehicle away, let's assemble it first. Alright, so here's our white speed racer, but, it's missing something. There we go! Added some stickers, and now it looks like a real speed racer. Check the wheels to make sure it's smooth. Yup! Vroom, vroom!
Sürpriz oyuncaklarla dolu Kinder Joy, kızlara ve erkeklere özel sürpriz yumurtaları açıyoruz. Kızlara özel Kinder Joy sürpriz yumurtadan başlıyorum. Acaba bizi nasıl bir oyuncak bekliyor? Çok merak ettim. Hemen paketimizi açalım. Öncelikle içine bakın isterseniz. İçinde kremalı gofret var. Bu şekilde ve kaşığı. Diğer sürpriz yumurtalara göre daha sağlıklı. Oyuncakla çikolata ayrı paketlerde. Bakalım neymiş? İlk defa böyle bir oyuncak çıkıyor. Farklı bir oyun. Burada bir kutu var. Bir tane de top. Ve ip var. Bu ipi bir tanesini kutuya, bir tanesini topa bağlayacağız. İşte böyle. Şimdi bu topu bu kutunun içine atmaya çalışacağız. İşte böyle. İlk defa böyle bir oyuncak çıktı. Çok eğlenceli. Hadi şimdi de erkeklere özel Kinder Joy sürpriz yumurta açalım. Bakalım erkeklere özel Kinder Joy sürpriz yumurtadan nasıl bir oyuncak çıkacak? Hızlı bir şekilde açıp öğrenelim. Çok parçalı bir oyuncak. Acaba ne? Hemen bakalım. Mavi renkte bir örümcek çıktı. Kırmızı rengi de varmış. İşte mavi renkte bir örümcek. Hadi şimdi de kızlara özel sürpriz yumurta açalım. Oyuncak bir bebek çıktı. Bakalım. Ayrıca oyuncak bebeğimizin kanatları da var, uçuyor. Çok tatlıymış. çok tatlı. Saçlarının rengine de bayıldım. Harika değil mi sizce de? Şimdi de sırada erkek...
Woo! Another Kinder Joy for boys. Let's skip the chocolate part and go straight to the toy. Wow, this has a lot of pieces too. Wait a minute, this logo looks really familiar. Check the instructions to make sure. Yes, I knew it! We got a Batman toy! Nice to know you can find Justice League toys in the Kinder Joys. Alright, let's set this up and see what kind of toy we have. Ooh, it's like some sort of bracelet. Let's put on this sticker. Whoop, careful. There we go. We got one more sticker for this little guy. And I believe this goes right underneath.
Fire!
Yes, it's a bracelet shooter.
You don't want to mess with me now.
This is fun. Let's open up another Kinder Joy for boys. Go straight to the toy again. No way! Yes! We got another Justice League toy! Let's open this up to find out what we got. Well, we found the green character, so that means we found the Green Lantern! Alright, Mr. Lantern, give us one moment while we put you back into one piece. Let's attach the arms.
Wow, someone's been working out.
Yeah, you got arms the size of a tree trunk. Can't forget the Green Lantern logo. And ta-da! Here is the Green Lantern. Woo! We got another Kinder Joy for boys!
Open it up. Skip the chocolate.
What could this be? Time to check the instructions. Ah, we got one of those disc shooters. Cool. For this toy, you're probably gonna need a lot of open space, but we'll make it work here. Let's load our blue disc.
And fire.
Let's try it again. I guess you don't need a lot of space. It doesn't shoot too far, but that was still fun. And now let's move on to another Kinder Joy for boys. Oh, I remember this toy. If you watched any of the previous Kinder Joy videos, you've probably seen this before. But if you haven't, this is a keychain / crayon or paintbrush. And looking at the picture, we got a paintbrush one today. Okay, let's first add our stickers onto the keychain.
It's a person with blue hair.
Then you just add on the keyring, dab your brush in some water, and we have two colors to choose from. We'll start with blue, and we even get a small coloring sheet. Now let's get some orange.
Woo! Now that is a work of art.
Yes! Another Kinder Joy for boys! Well, we know what our surprise toy is. We got a Batman figure! Let's get you out of the egg. Wow, we got 3 Justice League toys today. 2 Batman toys and 1 Green Lantern toy. This time we have to put Batman together.
Yeesh, these superheroes just can't stay in one piece, can they?
Oh, nice! For this Batman figure, we even get a sticker to add. So we'll wrap this around his belt. If the Green Lantern and Batman had an arm wrestling match, I'm gonna say the Green Lantern might win. Oh, you guessed it! Another Kinder Joy for boys! Ooh, it looks like we got another vehicle. Yes, it's another speedster. Whoa, it's a futuristic speedster.
This car can fly.
This car is a lot cooler than the first one, don't you think? Woo! Can't stop here. Let's open up another Kinder Joy for boys. Woo! Another toy with a lot of pieces. Let's see what we got. Oh yes! It's another one of these animal robot figures.
Let's assemble it real quick.
Nice! We got a lion robot this time. Roar! I do not want to mess with this guy. Alright, we got one more Kinder Joy for boys.
Please let us get out the toy.
I mean, it is awesome, but we already found this toy today. We got another one of these Batman bracelet shooters. Wow, so that makes it 4 Justice League toys today. I'm not complaining though. Now I got a bracelet shooter for both arms. Watch out! Well, this is a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.